Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn a small trick, but it will, save our lots of time. When we import or copy the table from, SPSS to Word, we see that first we have to copy, then we have to format it with an API style. But we can do it in this output actually. How now? Let's see. First, we will go and click the right button in mouse and edit content in separate window. Okay. Now look in format and table look. Here we have many options, but as we need APA times from one, we click it OK. Now you can see that uh, our table is actually in a APA format. Now you can copy this and paste it in Word file. Okay, if we do it once again, edit content, separate window, format, table looks, then API times, and here also more actually, but we need API times from one and bar pt. Okay, and look, now our table is now in API format. By this we can easily copy API format table to a Word file. We don't need to format after copying the file to Word file. It's very easy and actually it's a good trick. Thank you.